Felix. I'm a trauma-focused psychotherapist and I'm the founder of somatictherapy.co and working with Daughters Rising, anti-trafficking women's empowerment organization. And today we're running a special group. We're partnering with Chiang Mai Fight Fit and Meredith Renrick. I really truly believe that martial arts is an important part of mental health. It helps with self-esteem, it helps with stress, it helps with getting that natural mood-enhancing neurotransmitter. When you do a full training session, you get a big boost of dopamine. And
healthy body and strong mind from here. So let's come here and fight together.
Hi, I love here. It's very nice and it's good for girl.
I am feel very fun and feel strong. I love Muay Thai, but Muay Thai is good.